Experience a great price and spectacular service at family-owned and operated Cain Toyota. Here's the vehicle for you.
Toyota wrote the book on hybrids, so it's no surprise the Avalon Hybrid is such a strong performer. What you might not expect is how good it looks outside and how luxurious it is inside. It's the perfect balance of style and efficiency. Choose from 3 models, starting with the well-equipped XLE Plus and up through the luxurious Limited. Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive system combines with a continuously variable transmission to deliver up to 40 miles per gallon and a super low emission vehicle rating in a full-size sedan. Underbody diffuser panels and a super low 0.28 coefficient of drag help fuel economy and reduce wind noise inside the cabin, adding to the luxury, as does French stitching on the standard leather trim seats and other soft touch areas. Available 3-zone climate control, Entune premium JBL audio system, and much more make your Avalon Hybrid a commuting sanctuary. And every Avalon Hybrid comes with Toyota Safety Sense driver assist features and the Toyota Star Safety System. Choose from a variety of colors, wheels, and genuine Toyota accessories, and build an Avalon Hybrid that's all yours. The Toyota Avalon Hybrid. It's a smarter choice.
Whether you're in the market for a new Toyota, a sporty Highline, or a budget car, you'll find it on Cain Toyota's 10-acre lot. With over 500 vehicles on sale every day, a friendly professional staff, and a fun, hassle-free experience, why shop anywhere else? Cain Toyota, conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.